So you'll talk about love life with each other. Sometimes you talk about family. Minsan, pag-uusapan nyo rin yung mga pageant concerns nyo, maybe sa camp nyo, maybe sa mga trainers nyo. All of this is normal, by the way. Normal lang yan. May mga concerns ka. Feeling ko may favoritism. Mga ganon. Feeling ko hindi ako na-train ng maayos. Bakit yung training namin iba? Yung mga ganon. All of these are real. All of these are concerns. But you ladies are mature enough to have healthy discussions with each other where instead of fighting, you educate each other, you learn from each other, and then you're mature enough to talk about these difficult topics that really happen in pageants. Totoo naman, di ba? Career matters, yan din. Yung mga nag-stop ng work nila, mga nag-stop ng trabaho, stop ng pag-aaral, meron din ganyan. Yung magbabar exam na, tapos nag-pause muna. All for the crown. But you know what? Sometimes it's not about the crown eh. Because you don't come out the same person. Like, yung ikaw, yung Pia na sumalis nung screening, ibang-iba na dun sa Pia after the coronation night. With or without the crown. You will never be the same girl again, in a good way, because you've equipped yourself with life skills now that you carry on with you even after the coronation night. From now on, marunong ka nang mag-makeup ng maganda. Marunong ka nang magsalita on stage. Marunong ka nang mag-public speaking. Pag tinanong ka ng opinion mo, may masasabi ka na. Hindi ka na nahihiya. Kaya mo nang humarap sa camera. Kaya mo nang i-present yung sarili mo. Pagka may bago kang job interview na nothing to do with pageants, alam mo na kung paano ka papasok. Presence, power, charm. Diba? It helps. It helps you even outside of pageantry. Like it really changed. That's why I always say, whenever an aspiring candidate comes up to me and asks me, should I join? Like, I always say, yes, you should join. You will... If you don't make it, you'll cry, but you will remember when I say na you will not come out as the same person. Like, you will learn life skills that you will take with you. Dealing with sister quarrels naman in arguments, I'm trying to remember if there were any on my year. Nothing dramatic or scandalous na physical alterations. Walang mga ganon. Although, I don't know how it is with this batch, with the previous years, but there used to be really bad camp wars when I was competing. As in, camp war. Ramdam na ramdam mo yung Team A sa Team B, ganon. But I'm so happy to learn also from interviewing girls from the more recent years na nag-ease na yung ganon, wala nang masyado. I mean, it's nice to have trainers, but then they don't teach you to isolate yourselves from the rest of the girls anymore. And I think we're more mature now. Alam na natin na hindi ko naman kailangang iwasang kausapin yung mga co-candidates ko porket hindi lang nagkataon na same camp kami. Kasi sometimes hindi mo naman choice. Nagkataon lang na taga-ibang probinsya ka, ibang camp yung nagtatrain doon. It's not, there's some things that are really out of your control. So, but it's nice to see that those things don't exist anymore, which gives me hope that may improve pa talaga yung pageants. And years down the line, I think more and more people, especially the fans, are really going to start to adapt the idea of sisterhood. That it's real, it's not put on, it's not fake, it's real, it's genuine. Some of you girls here, after the coronation night, will probably continue on with your careers. Maybe some of you will become doctors. Maybe some of you will become lawyers, professionals, businesswomen. Baka may mag-politics pa sa inyo. Hindi natin alam. Mag-aartista, may mga mag-aartista dyan. Kaya ngayon pa lang, kaibiganin nyo na yung isa't isa. Kasi yun yung mga magiging kaibigan nyo. Alam nyo ako, if I have a concern, I have a friend who's a doctor and she used to be my co-candidate at Binibini. I have a friend who's a lawyer and she used to be my co-candidate at Binibini. May negosyo siya. She used to be my co-candidate. You guys will become professionals one day. Beauty queens are queens for a short period of time, but you will grow in your careers individually in some way, and you wanna stick to each other and grow together. Wouldn't it be so nice that after 10 years or 5 years, magre-reunion kayo and you can look back at this moment and say, remember when we were just candidates? Remember when we were, di pa tayo sure, hindi natin alam kung ano ba mangyayari sa atin, but look at us now. That would feel so good.